Good afternoon, Colleen.
Okay. This is our second installation. This is our twig dwelling.
Twig dwelling.
Can you climb up here and get...
No. Yeah. Without dying. Oh, goodness. Oh. Okay.
Pretty fragile.
And we were going to have a flower flag, but it didn't work. Well, don't fall. Twig dwelling.
Good to see.
Oh yeah, and where are we?
We're at A3.
The elusive C. A3.
Did you get the A3?
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, A3. Yeah. Okay, so our second installation piece, inspired by Andy Goldsworthy, twig dwelling. Okay, now film me. Get over there and film me. Jump in.
Where?
Where? I'm just gonna jump. Ready?
Okay.
This gap.
Okay. Wait.
This video's getting me too long.
Go.